Question number 34. For the curve C, x square plus y square minus 3 plus x square minus y square minus 1 whole to the power of 5 is equal to 0. The value of 3y dash minus y cube y double dash at the point alpha alpha, that means x area alpha, y also alpha you have to take. Alpha is greater than 0 on C is what, like they are asking. See, here you have to see this is curve. Anyway, we are going to what we can say, do the differentiation and all, f dash, y dash, x dash will come. Okay, now one more thing I want to do. Y dash is they are writing means with respect to x we are going to do. That is one thing. Another thing, y dash means dy by dx, y double dash means d square y by dx square. 2 times you have to do. Okay. Y cube, y value and all we are going to find it. You see how we are going to find that. Okay, now see alpha I am submitting in this. You see what I am doing. X square plus y square minus 3 plus x square minus y square minus 1 whole to the power of 5 equal to 0, comma. See alpha if I submit automatically alpha square plus alpha square minus 3 plus alpha square minus alpha square minus 1 whole to the power of 5 equal to 0. Okay, 2 alpha square minus 3, this alpha square minus alpha square going to get cancelled out. Minus 1 to the power of 5 means odd number, negative will come, minus 1 equal to 0. Or else 2 alpha square is equal to 4, minus 4 goes that side. Alpha square is equal to 2. Alpha is equal to plus or minus root 2 will come, but minus root 2 should not take. Why? Because alpha is greater than 0. Okay, that means alpha value you have got. Now what I am doing, I am differentiating one time. Okay, why? Because see 2 times I have to do y dash, y double dash, both are there. Now I don't write dy by dx, I write y dash. Why? Because here y dash, y double dash they have given. Okay, let me do. I am differentiating this equation. See, 2x plus 2y into y dash. Okay, minus 3 need not write. Plus, you see here power 5 is there. 5 into x square minus y square minus 1 whole to the power of 4. 5x to the power of 4. Now again inside you go. 2x minus 2y y dash. Okay? Is equal to 0. Okay, now what we have to do? X value alpha, alpha value root 2. Y value alpha, alpha value root 2. If you submit in this equation, this equation also I am writing as equation 1 or something like. Then what will happen? You are going to get y dash value. Why? Because see, here y dash are there, remaining are xy only. Xy you can submit xy alpha value. Okay, see. Shall I take 2 common? See, 2 I am cancelling. Okay, if I cancel, what will happen here? X plus y dash plus 5 times of x square minus y square minus 1 whole to the power of 4 into x minus y dash is equal to 0. Okay? If that is the case, submit x root 2 plus root 2 y dash plus 5 into root 2 square 2 minus 2 minus 1 whole to the power of 4 is there. Okay, again root 2 minus root 2 y dash is equal to 0. Okay, now come back. See, 2 minus 2 0, but minus 1 to the power of 4 is plus only, plus 1 5 times. See how I am writing this. Root 2 plus root 2 y dash plus 5 efficient, automatically what will happen? 5 root 2 minus 5 root 2 y dash is equal to 0. See here, 1 root 2 y dash minus 5 root 2 y dash minus 4 root 2 y dash. If you set that side, 4 root 2 y dash. Okay? Minus 5 plus 1, minus 4. Minus 4 goes that side, plus 4. This side what will happen? 1 root 2, 5 root 2, 6 root 2. Then y dash is equal to 6 by 4, or else y dash is equal to 3 by 2. Okay? See, you have got x value, y value, y dash value. Again, second order derivation you have to do. This equation number 1. Y dash is going to become y double dash. Okay? Again, we will submit y dash value, y value, x value in that. Then we are going to get y double dash value. We will submit here. Okay, here y dash we know, y we know, y double dash value we have to get it after doing this. Why? Because see, it is going to become laborious. So I am passing and writing. You do as a homework. Okay, I am writing directly steps. Okay. See, if you do this equation, second order derivative is going to become like this. Okay. In this, again we are going to submit y value, x value, root 2 and y dash value 3 by 2, and we will see what will happen in that. Okay. This step you take as homework and do. Okay, now see, except y double dash all values are there. You solve this, you try to solve this. Okay. Okay. Now you can send 4 that side. 0 it is going to become. Okay, now see, this should come minus 23 by 4 root 2. Okay. Now what I am going to do? I am going to submit in this. Okay, I am removing this red color. 3 we know, y dash value we know, y cube, y means y cube we know, y double dash also we know. Okay, here we will submit this. See, remaining calculation you take as a homework and do it. Okay, see, 3 into y dash 3 by 2 minus y cube root 3 cube 2 root 2 into y double dash minus 23 by c minus minus plus 23 by 4 root 2. See, root 2 going to cancel out, 2 times goes 9 by 2 plus 23 by 2. That means see, 2 is LCM, 23 plus 9, 36, 32, 16. 16 will be your answer. Okay? Little bit cumbersome. Have patience and do it slowly. Okay? Let us go for next question.